So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to buy domain and hosting from Hostinger Hosting. So watch this video till the end. And if you will watch this video till the end, then I will share a special coupon code with you that will help you to get 10% additional discount on whatever Hostinger is offering right now. So to buy domain and hosting from Hostinger Hosting, you just need to follow two simple steps. Step 1 is you just need to click on the special affiliate link given in the video description. When you will click on the link given in the video description, then it will take you to the latest Hostinger offer. Suppose Hostinger is offering 90% discount, 80% discount or 85% discount or whatever the discount Hostinger is offering right now. I will find that discount for you and I will update the link given in the video description time to time so that you can get that discount without wasting your time. So the link given in the video description will take you to the latest Hostinger offer. So when you will click on the link given in the video description, then you will see a screen like this. From here you just need to click on start now button and it will take you to the pricing section, which will look something like this. As you can see, Hostinger comes with 3 different pricing plan: premium plan, business plan and cloud startup plan. So let me explain this pricing quickly so that you can pick the right plan according to your requirement. So if you are just starting out, then I will highly recommend you to get the premium plan, which will cost you $2.99 per month. With this plan you can create 3 websites and you will get 20 gigs of storage in your hosting account. But the major limitation of this plan is that you will get weekly backup in this plan. So this is not limitation for newbies who are just starting their blogs, because if you are just starting out, if you are creating your blog, and then you will not do major changes every day in your website, you will hardly publish one content every week, then in this case it is worth it. Okay, but if you want to create more than 3 websites, or if you want daily backup or manual backups, then you can consider business plan. With business plan you can create up to 50 websites and you will get 50 gigs of storage per month, and this plan will cost you $3.99 per month. And the best thing about this plan is that you will get daily and on-demand backup to prevent any data loss. So if you are doing changes every single day, or if you are publishing a lot of content every week in your website, then this feature will help you a lot, because you will get daily backup of your site to prevent any data loss. And suppose if you want to create more than 50 websites and if you want 20x more power for your websites with cloud hosting, then you can consider this cloud startup plan, which will cost you $7.99 per month. With this plan you can create up to 100 websites and you will get 100 gigs of storage and you will get lots of feature, as you can see here. So for now I'm considering that you are planning to purchase this business plan, so let me click on this choose plan button. So when you will click on choose plan button, then it will take you to the checkout page, which will look something like this. And here is the best part: you will get a section called have a coupon code. You can click here and you can apply the special coupon code, which I am going to share here. That will give you 10% additional discount on top of whatever Hostinger is offering right now. So the coupon code is Sumit. I will also share this coupon code in the video description, so just go and check it out. And let's click on apply button. As you can see, you will get 10% additional discount on top of whatever Hostinger hosting is offering right now. And from here I will highly recommend you to select the 48 month, because if you will select the 48 month, then you will get the highest discount. So as you can see, if you will select 48 month, then pricing will be $3.59 per month. If you will select 24 month, then pricing will be more, which is $4.04 per month. And if you will select 12 month, then pricing will increase more, which is $4.49 per month. And if you will select 1 month plan, which I don't recommend, then in this case pricing will be approximately $19, and in this case you can't insert any coupon code here. Okay, so if you want highest discount, then I will highly recommend you to select 48 month from here. And now I'm gonna show you how you can get free domain for your website. So for this you just need to go to this secure my domain section, and here you can find the domain name which you want for free. Okay, so let me write a domain name, random domain name here. Write random domain name here.com. So for demo purpose I am writing some random domain name here, which is write a random domain name here.com, something like this. So as you can see, this is available and I can claim it for free. And suppose if you are and writing any domain name here which is not available, then it will show not available message here. So let me write my domain name, my website name, which is blogginglib.com. I have already taken this domain name. So as you can see, it is showing not available message here. Okay, so let me write again the same domain name here, and to claim any domain name for free, just write your domain name and click on this button, and after that it will automatically select the 2-year period. Just select the 1 year to get this domain name for free. As you can see, if I will select 1 year, then this domain name is free for 1 year. So far I have explained how you can get 10% additional discount by using the code Sumit, and also I have explained how to get the free domain name for first year. After doing all these things, just click on continue button and it will take you to the registration page. Here you can enter a valid email address. Here you can set password for your Hostinger account, and you can enter your phone number, and you can click on this checkbox and you can click on register button, and after that you can enter your credit card details to purchase Hostinger hosting with massive discount. Okay, so in this way you can get Hostinger hosting with massive discount. All you need to do is just click on the special affiliate link given in the video description. That will take you to the latest Hostinger offer, and after that pick a plan and apply the coupon code to get 10% additional discount. So that special affiliate link and coupon code is in the video description. Just go and check it out. So I hope now you understood how to buy domain and hosting from Hostinger hosting in 2026. And if you found this how to buy domain and hosting from Hostinger video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing videos like this.